Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be installing the Whitestone Dome Glass EA screen protector on the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and we'll also be checking out their scope case, as you can see, which I do have on the device itself. Now, this one is going to be the easy installation, nothing like what we have here. As you can see, this one is for the Pixel 7 Pro, but this is more of a complicated process, but I still love the screen protector that comes with this whole package right here because it works really good. But today we're going to be installing the easy one. As you can see, easy and simple attachment, vivid clarity, scratch protection, and high touch sensitivity. Let's go ahead and get this installed on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Then we'll take a closer look at their case and maybe another case as well to see how case friendly this screen protector is. All right, so I got everything set up and ready to go here, as you can see, and this does come with two of everything, including two screen protectors as well. So pretty good deal there, but this is going to be a super easy installation. And the first thing we do want to do is make sure you're in a dust-free environment and also make sure to clean your device. So we're gonna go ahead and clean up our Google Pixel 8 Pro right here. Make sure there's no fingerprints or anything like that, no stains. There we go, got it wiped down pretty good. Then we'll go ahead and dry it with our dry cloth right here that they do provide in the box. There we go, that looks good. And then once we're done doing that, we'll go ahead and take our dust absorbing sticker and try to remove any dust on the display. That way you don't risk getting any air bubbles or anything like that. Now, I am doing this behind a camera, so I can't see perfectly, but I'm really hoping I don't get any dust and on this display while doing this, so I don't get any air bubbles during my installation. So the first thing we're gonna do once we're done cleaning our display is take off this white part right here, this little foam pad in there, and then we'll go ahead and take off this bottom piece. I like to keep it face down like this, so in case there is any dust floating around, it doesn't fall on the adhesive part of the screen protector. Now what I'm gonna do is just go over my device one more time to make sure there is no dust, because I really wanna get this right. There we go. Throw this in the center, and then we can just go ahead and throw this on, and it aligns it perfectly on your device. There's no need to try to mess with it to get it center or anything like that. And then you just follow the directions on this. So you're gonna do a fast slide from right to left or left to right. Boom, do that. Slide down, number 2, and then slide up for number 3. Once we're done doing that, it says remove sticker. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's remove the sticker here. And let's see. There we go. Okay, the sticker is removed, and I guess we can go ahead and push that out like that. Now there will be some air bubbles, as you can see there. You can kind of just use your dry cloth and push them out to the side. All right, there we go. Just had to go over it quite a bit there to make sure I fill in the rest of those little air bubbles with that adhesive that was under this screen protector. But let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. Look at that. It doesn't even look like there is a screen protector on this display right there, but if you look really closely, it's there, but looking really, really good. No air bubbles or anything like that, and it fits perfectly all around. It gives you just enough gap right there around these edges to fit a case. So let's try this case on. This is their scope case, also looking like it is MagSafe compatible for those of you who do like to use MagSafe with your devices. Looks like it is going to give us a decent cutout for those camera lenses in the back and the flash and that temperature sensor in the back right there. So it looks like we're gonna get some decent protection there. Looks like we get, a pretty decent lift on the display as well. But look at that. So this screen protector is case friendly, and I also have a D brand case right here as well. Let's test this out. And even with the D brand case, look at that. Still fits on there perfectly, and that screen protector doesn't get pushed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and power this on, and then we'll go ahead and check out responsiveness to see how well it works and how well it works with that in-display fingerprint sensor as well. And then I'll also maybe even take a selfie, because as you can see, it does cover that front facing camera lens up there. So I'll take a quick selfie, just kind of test that out and see if it's going to worsen the quality of the photo or still give us a good quality selfie photo. But as far as the case goes, case actually feels pretty good in the hands. Doesn't add too much bulk. And it looks like we have little holes there for a lanyard if you want to go ahead and attach a lanyard as well. But I'll go ahead and let this boot up really quick. All right, so I got the phone powered on and ready to go, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and check out responsiveness. Look at that. Still super smooth, still super responsive, no problems at all using this display. Let's go ahead and check out the in-display fingerprint sensor. Boom, boom, one more time. Boom, look at that. So when using this dome glass, tempered glass screen protector on the Google Pixel 8 Pro, there is absolutely no problem using this. Let me go and take a quick selfie here. All right, so I took my quick little selfie here, zooming in. The detail still looks good, the photo still looks good, so it looks like it's not going to mess with the quality of that front-facing camera, even though it is covering it. Of course, like anything, as long as you keep it clean with, you know, away from smudges or anything like that, as long as it's not smudged or anything, you're still going to get some clean selfies with that front-facing camera. But what do y'all think? Let me know down in the comment sections below. Whitestone Dome is my go-to screen protectors when it comes to using a screen protector on any device that I have. Whatever device that they have these available for, if I have that device, I'm definitely throwing one of these on my device because it is the screen protector that I have been actually trusting for years. Not just because they send them to me, but I actually truly trust them with my devices. They do a great job at protecting the actual display. If you're gonna drop your phone, you would rather a screen protector break than the actual display on your device itself. But y'all leave your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description below for this screen protector right here in case you do want to check one out for yourself. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.